In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Gmail to Doodle. By the end, your Doodle account will be linked to your Google Calendar, so Doodle can check your availability and add events automatically when meetings are confirmed. Start by opening Doodle in your web browser and signing in to your account. Once you're in, head to your account settings. On desktop, this is typically found by clicking your profile picture or name in the top right corner, then choosing Account Settings. This is where you control how Doodle works behind the scenes. Inside Account Settings, look for the section called Connected Calendars. This page is dedicated to linking your calendars so Doodle can read your free and busy times and keep everything in sync. Go ahead and click Connected Calendars to open it. Now choose Google Calendar as the calendar service you want to connect. When you select Google Calendar, a new window will open asking you to sign in. If you're already signed into Google in your browser, you might see a list of accounts. Pick the one you actually use for scheduling. If you manage multiple calendars under different accounts, choose the single account that holds the calendars you rely on most. This helps Doodle check the right availability and place events where you expect them. Next, you'll see a permission screen from Google. Review the access being requested, then click Allow. Granting these permissions lets Doodle read your calendar to find open time slots, and when you finalize a poll, add the confirmed meeting to the selected calendar. This is essential for accurate scheduling and prevents double booking. After you allow access, you'll return to Doodle and be prompted to select which calendars to sync. You'll see your primary calendar and any secondary or shared calendars associated with that Google account. Choose the calendars you want Doodle to check for conflicts and where you'd like confirmed meetings to appear. For the most accurate availability, include any calendars that contain real appointments, such as both work and personal, if applicable. Finally, click Save to confirm your choices. That's it. Your Google Calendar is now connected to Doodle. From here on, Doodle will use those calendars to show your availability in polls and can add finalized events directly to the calendars you selected. If you ever need to change which calendars are synced or disconnect Google altogether, just return to Account Settings and open Connected Calendars again. And if the Google sign-in window doesn't appear when you try to connect, check your browser's pop-up settings and allow pop-ups for Doodle temporarily. You're all set. Enjoy smoother scheduling with your Gmail and Doodle working together.